Hello, everyone. I'm Jacob Petersen. I'm a recent graduate of devCodeCamp's 14-week full-stack web development course. I'm here today to present to you my Capstone project. Capstone project is completed at the end of the course. It's a 10-day full sprint to build any full-stack web application you're using. What I chose to build was Rissa's Cafe. The inspiration for the project came from when I'm trying to design a website for my sister's food truck business. Food truck being mobile, the location wasn't always stagnant, and I wanted her to have the ability to update her location. So what I incorporated was an owner dashboard and filled it with various types of different kind of components that she can update her location on the landing page. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm really excited to kind of show you this project that I was working. A little bit about myself. I'm a United States Air Force veteran. I served 4 years active duty. I was stationed most of my enlistment in Seymour Johnson in North Carolina. After separating from the military, I was posed with a unique challenge of that. What do I do now? I know a lot of other military members have been faced with this, so I was like, well, I need to do what I want to do now. I started looking into tech jobs and looking into the tech job market and discovered I love coding. I love troubleshooting. I'm very analytical, and coding was a perfect fit. A couple of courses on free code camp, and I was hooked. So that's kind of how I ended up on my journey here today. Technologies used for the APIs, I use MySQL to store the event calendar data, the marker positions for the map, customer messages, and user authentication. I also have Google Maps API incorporated and the weather API incorporated in the program. Languages, Python for the backend and the Django REST framework. I also use React.js for the front end, HTML, CSS, and a couple other packages I had installed on there was Bootstrap, Full Calendar IO, and Google Maps. So without further ado, let's get into the web application. I'm really excited to present this to you guys today. Welcome to the landing page of Rissa's Cafe. The video you see playing in the background is a couple of video clips I pulled off the internet in order to kind of give a unique feel to the website. It kind of tells the story of how the coffee's made and where the coffee comes from. And I felt like it was kind of a unique feel to the website. On the left side, you can see the horizontal navigation bar. The reason I built a horizontal navigation bar is I had never built one before. At devCodeCamp, I built a lot of top bars for my web applications for the projects and assignments, but I wanted to try something a little different, so I incorporated a horizontal navigation bar. So you can see here, you can click it, closes down, you can click it, and it opens up. One of the first components is the home component that will take you to the home web page, this page. If you click here, it'll take you to the About section. Right here is the upcoming events, what we have to offer, and the contact. At the bottom of the horizontal navigation bar is the map. Right here, you can see the current location of the food truck. It's fully integrated. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can drop the Google person right here, and you can see the exact location. So I feel like that was kind of unique in adding that into the web application. Clicking here on the upcoming events takes you to the full calendar IO. Right here is all the stored events that are showing for the business. Future iterations, I want to have a modal that if you click on it, it gives you the full detail of the business, the full whereabouts, the full address, and everything about it. So that's going to be kind of incorporating it in time. If you click up back up here, it takes you back to home. What we have to offer is a image slider. I incorporated this to kind of give another unique professional feel to the website. You can go back and forth. It shows all the services that the business has to offer. It also switches pages every 10 seconds. Going back to the home page, we click on the contact. It pops up a modal that you can fill in your information, or a customer would fill in to contact the business. So let's put in some data here. And just some random data. And the message, I love coffee. Submit. All right, now you're asking yourself, where does that actually go? Well, that's kind of the unique part of the web application I'm excited to show you. Right here is the owner dashboard. Refresh that here. You can see that our message was sent to the owner dashboard. Right here has the current weather for the marker location. As you can see, this is all coming from the weather API. On the right side here, you can see the update location. So let's go ahead and put in some data to update the location. Grab our longitude and latitude for the location. Right here. Hit update. Then you have to refresh the page. After that, it updates the location for the weather. As you can see here, it is temperature, city, Mount Pleasant. Going back to the home page, you can see that the marker location was updated. Go back to our owner dashboard. You can also add an event to the business calendar. Clicking here, let's say if the business owner wanted to add an event that they'll be showing up to, let's say a pumpkin patch. Select the dates. It's going to be, let's say in the past on the 20th. Then you can add that. Going back over here, click on the business calendar, and you can see that our event was added to the business calendar. Now, future iterations I want to make for the program, I want to test building different backends for this web application using Node.js and other backend applications. Another thing I would like to incorporate is an order form. So the user be able to log in and create an order for a pickup that they want to pick up from the food cart business. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about this program, how to improve it, I'd love to hear them. I'm on LinkedIn and contact me there. And thank you for watching.